We will be using the knife and edge split tools to add a simple yet pretty realistic cracked glass effect in Blender. What I have here is a simple model of a window. There is the frame that I'm going to hide now, and there is the window glass, which is just a set of simple planes. The first thing we'll do is we'll go to Rendered View and set the render engine to cycles. Now let's add a material to the glass, and for that I'll use the glass BSDF. Set the roughness to a pretty low value until it looks good. To make the glass more realistic, we need to add thickness, and that is easily done by adding a Solidify modifier. This number is good. Now we can go into edit mode with the tab key and add some cracks. Select the knife tool by pressing K. Add cracks anywhere in the glass by clicking. And when you're done with one, press Enter to confirm. You can press K again to add more. Blender will add some edges to the corners, but you don't have to worry about that yet. Once you're done, go into Edge Select mode by pressing 2. Now select the edges that you wish to be part of the crack effect. Now right-click and select Edge Split. Go back into Object mode with Tab, and here we go. We have a cracked glass. You can add fun details, like remove this piece right here by going into Edit mode, and now go into Face Select mode with 3. Select this face, and you can just move it by pressing G. Now we have a hole in the glass, and you can still use this piece to make something else. For example, to put it here on the edge. I hope you liked this video, and if you have other interesting ideas, please leave a comment.